make a little graham cracker cake.
Mmm.
So we start with some crumbled graham crackers. Then we want to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour.
Okay.
And then 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Oh.
It's going to be our dry mixture. Put that in there and just kind of stir that up together a little bit. That powder and the crumbs mixed together.
So that's supposed to help it like rise, you think? Or?
Yeah, it'll come in handy when we get to the baking part.
Mm-hmm.
Add this to the wet mixture. Okay, that's pretty good. All right, let's switch the bowls out. Get the big boy in there.
Mm-hmm.
Next, we got to take a softened stick of butter and 1 cup of sugar. And we're going to cream these together.
And then we're using margarine, which is a little softer than butter, and it's a little bit easier to mix.
All right, got it pretty good and creamed up now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we're going to add a few other ingredients. We got 5 egg yolks here. We're going to pour into that mixture.
Very yellow.
Pure yolk. Then we want about 2 teaspoons worth of vanilla. Just a little, there we go.
Yeah, perfect.
And about a 1/2 teaspoon worth of cinnamon we're gonna throw on there. There we go. Mix those 3 together into it. Oh yeah, now it's looking even more creamy. All right, it's looking pretty good. Okay, so now we want to take that graham cracker dry mixture, put about 1/3 of it into there, and then we want to take, we got a cup of milk, we want to pour about 1/3 of the milk into it. Then we're going to stir it in. We're just going to kind of fold it into the mixture there.
Nice.
So just a little bit at a time. All right, that's looking pretty good, and stir it up. Let's get this thing in the baking dish.
Okay.
So we got a 13 by 9 that we've already greased up. Just kind of get it all in there.
Just shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake.
Getting every drop.
Every drop. I don't want y'all yelling at me again for not scraping the bowl. Okay, let's just smooth out the bottom real quick. Looking pretty good. What you think?
Looks good to me.
All right, so let's take this thing over to the oven. We got it set at 325. We're gonna put it in there for about 20 minutes or so.
Okay.
Come back. All right, then we're gonna make the frosting. We got a 1/3 cup of cream cheese and about a 1/2 stick of butter. I'm gonna cream those together first.
Looks
Got
creamed.
that? Yeah, got that pretty nice and creamed up. That was easy. About 2 cups of confectioner's sugar, also known as powdered sugar. Trying to dig into this bag and it give me a little struggle.
There it goes.
2 cups of powdered sugar. This is to make the frosting, by the way, people. I think I said that. We just get a little bloop of vanilla. And then we just need about 2 tablespoons of milk.
Seems simple enough.
Yep. And we just stir all that together and it's going to make a nice frosting. This is going to be a good frosting. It's looking pretty good. All right, so we'll just put this to the side, wait for that cake to stop baking. All right, let's take a look.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Looks so good.
That looks really good. All right, we're going to just let it cool for a second, then we'll come back, put some icing on it. All right, so let's take that homemade frosting we made earlier.
Looks nice and creamy.
And drizzle that over the top.
The perfect amount too.
I love a homemade icing.
Me too.
I like this purple lavender spatula.
Or some of our favorite colors.
Very Eastery. Can't wait to go to Pawleys Island for Easter to see my parents.
That's fun.
A few more crumbled graham crackers and just kind of sprinkle it over the top.
Looks awesome.
It's time to try this bad
All right,
boy.
let's try it.
Let's see.
Looks like a nice bite.
Look at that. Oh, looks good. 10 out of 10.